Today I'm going to show you how to create a template inside of Blue Onion. So whenever you're ready, you come over to Templates, create a template. You can name this one Cash Receipts. Select the type of journal entry you're creating here. How do you want to group that journal entry? And then if you have a rounding account you want to select here, you can put that in. And then what frequency do you want to push the journal? If you have smart adjustments turned on, what cadence do you want to push those adjustments? And then when should this journal start? And then create template. And then we can go ahead and generate mappables now. So once the mappables are ready to be input, it's really simple. Select the account you want over here that you want to put this clearing account to. In this case, I'll just do accounts receivable and deferred revenue. So once we've got that, we save mappings, and then this mapping is now ready to go, right? So whenever you're ready to do a push, you can preview and trigger manual push there, and you can go to the next video to see how that works.